It's Deb Villicacina time. We're gonna do something really easy. It's one of those things that you already have these ingredients at home. I already took, as you can see in the photo, the potatoes and the carrots and I just steamed them. Then a zucchini, you can do it on a box cutter or a grater, and got the water out by just squeezing it with the paper towel. And I ended up with this. I have it all mixed up together. And then a teaspoon of each of these. Garlic, onion, smoked paprika, and oregano. I've got all into the mix here. Mix it in. So simply make your little patties. It's gonna go in a preheated oven at 350, 30 minutes, then flip them, then maybe another 30 minutes. You never know. I'll come back and show you how it turned out. Here they are, 350 degrees, 1 hour, 3 ingredients, 4 spices, on top of parchment in the oven. They're really great, and you can use them for snacks, breakfast, lunch, put eggs with it. It's just a really great, easy thing to make. Hope you enjoy it.